Hey everybody, this is Dave again. Um, gonna make a video here, and something I noticed in PIdexx, and when you go to add pigeons um, to somebody's loft or for their clock, I didn't know this before. I was just kind of looking at something in there and kind of just figured it out, so I thought I would relay it on to you, so maybe it would help you guys out. I'm running my PIdexx on Windows 10, so I have it down on the bottom of my taskbar here. So I'm going to open up PIdexx, and I wanted to show you something here that I wasn't aware of. Normally when you open up PIdexx here, you got all these tabs across the top. You got members, registration, data transfer, race administration, schedule transfer, and evaluation. Well, a lot of times when I go to create birds, the way I've always done it, is I will come under the club that I'm under here, and I will actually go under data transfer. And of course, I only have one club in my PIdexx here, the Montello Pigeon Club. And I'm just going to select a name here, and his birds will come up like this. And you can see that they range all over. He's got a 2014 bird, 12, 11, 15. That's kind of all over. The way it prints in here when you open it up under the data transfer tab where I always was, because most of the time I had the clock hooked up over here on the right too. I would go down here and click on this pigeon down here, and then I would be able to start creating, putting his birds in the clock. But as you notice, when I click on it in the first time here, look at the first year that comes up is 11, and the club was a Foy's bird, or a Foy's club, and then I could start with the number, the sex, and the color. And then I would click this disk here to add it to the computer, and then later I would go back and link a chip to it. But I noticed something here up on this tab called registration, and probably I just never paid attention because I didn't know how to use it. So if you don't know how to use something, sometimes you don't know what it's for, and it could be helping you out to save time. So when I opened up that one, and then let's just go down and put brats back in there, you see how they come up here now. They all come up in year order from youngest to oldest. So let's say I was creating a bunch of birds, and they were all, let's say they were all in this 14 NAN thing. If I click on that bird and then click down here on insert new pigeon, do you see how when it comes up now that it kept me, the first part of it's all filled out for me, the AU, the year, and the club number, and it starts right from the number, and it just kind of saves some time, so I don't have to back tab, change the year, change the club, and then put a new number in, and then go through, boom, and then add it, and then hit add again, and then it'll be on another club, and I got to keep doing that. So no matter which one you click on, if I click up on this one and highlight this, let's say I got a bunch of Foy's birds in 11, and I do it, see, I'm already set for the next one in the series for that year and that club. Or down on this one, I'm set on that one. So I thought that's kind of neat. I mean, I guess I never paid attention. And then once you add that um, bird, let's say I just pick this one in here, and I go to, if I highlight that one and go to insert it, and let's say I call this bird, I'm just going to make a bird up here like this and hit add. Well, I guess that was a bad choice because that bird already seems to be in here. So let's do another one. Let's call this one 55555 and then add it. Now when I come back down there too, I can find that bird, and by highlighting it, if I had the clock hooked up to the club system, I could use this chip right here and just go ahead and link it right away too. And I do not believe this will put it in the clock. I think this is going to, maybe it will, because you wouldn't be able to do it without the clock hooked up. So unless it, yeah, I'm pretty sure it will, even though it doesn't show the clock on the left. I have not tried that, but you wouldn't be able to put a chip to it unless, unless this I don't know. Something I'll have to try out, but it looks like that will work, or that would not be, highlighted there, to couple. So anyway, that's just something I thought was very interesting, and I wanted to show it to you guys. And till the next time I make another video, you guys have a great day, and we will talk to you later.